Hello, my name is Maureen Popa. I am learning coach at National Inventors Hall of Fame STEM High School in Akron, Ohio. Here at the high school, I teach digital media class as well as information specialist. And I help learners finding information for research as well as the gateway to pleasure reading. The mission at our school is to create the highest level of education through creativity and inventiveness. I believe that it is very important, it's vital to have a strong engineering program at our school because we want to prepare our learners for coursework once they get into the university. We also want them to be able to make thoughtful decisions as far as an occupation when they get out into the real world and begin to work as engineers. I think a strong program with the technology, the software, the equipment, and the funding is one way to provide that for our students.
The great thing about engineering is it's foundational. Engineering students can pursue higher levels of engineering through master's and PhD programs. However, an engineering student can take that engineering education and go into many other disciplines because at its core, engineering teaches students how to break down problems into smaller problems and then solve the larger problems that the world faces.
What is your favorite class and why?
My favorite class is engineering.
Engineering.
It's engineering.
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 Why engineering?
Because it's a really interactive class and I always have fun.
As one day I would like to be a nuclear engineer or a chemical engineer.
Because I like Coach Metcalf and the way he teaches.
Because Coach Metcalf is an awesome teacher and he's very inspiring.
Because it'll prepare me for biomedical engineering.
Because of the projects that we do with the Inventor program.
What technology do you have in your class?
Currently we have HP desktop computers.
We only have HP laptops in our classes.
Computers, robots. We have computers and robotic kits.
The Inventor program.
What would make your engineering class better and why?
If we could purchase new equipment that would make class more enjoyable, exciting, and allow us to learn more topics.
It would be better if we had more funding to purchase more robotic kits because everybody wouldn't have to share. You wouldn't have to worry about your robots getting taken apart and used further.
I think by having more equipment, we'll be more productive in the tasks we do.
Funding because we are hoping to have more advanced technology.
Funding would make it better so that we have technology available to more students.
Funding so that we could buy more stuff.
More funds because then we can get more technology for our engineering class.
I would like the 3D printers that we're learning about.
So how engineering applies to Honors Biochemical Systems class is that the learners were involved with a PBL, a problem-based learning unit, on a kitchen garden project. One of the recommendations or requirements of that project was they were to develop a garden that would feed learners, educators, and other people that would be coming to the Cuyahoga Valley Educational Center. And with that, the learners not only had to learn what plants could be companions and be planted together, but they also had to learn about soil nutrients as well as the size of the garden, the design of the garden, the dimensions. So in terms of engineering, they also could look at the scale models of what their garden would be if it would fit into that recommended plot of land or area of land. Another way engineering is involved with biology class is they're currently working on a case study involving diseases. And one of the approaches is to come up with an innovative approach to either treat or diagnose the disease. One such case is working with MRSA, and they have an idea to create, using a CAD system software from engineering class, a wrestling mat with a device that would send out the cleaning material or the sanitizer on the mat.
Hello, I'm Coach Palumbo, and I am the geometry coach here at STEM High School. Engineering class is a great opportunity for students to apply the mathematics they learned in, say, geometry class and put it into a real-world application or a project. Also, engineering class and geometry class, or any math class actually, are two classes that can work well together with projects where you can learn the math in the math class, and then you can take what you just learned in the math class and apply it into your engineering class during that 9 weeks.
With the grant money awarded by Goodyear at the Engineering Career Day event, we plan to buy more robotics equipment for the classes. Currently, we only have 4 kits, which would be 1 for each of our classes, or 1 per 25 students. We hope to get up to at least 4 for each class eventually. With this money would greatly help with that. We also hope to obtain a 3D printer so that our students may prototype their ideas, and hopefully even, maybe not this year, but soon, get a scanner to work in conjunction with our 3D printer so that we can scan in objects and recreate them on the 3D printer.